Hi, hello everyone. I'm Kukuletu Sibanda from Mayande Investments Company. I'm going to be offering you tutorials as per promised. I promised you that I'm going to be following on your requests as soon as our page hits a K, as I promised that I'm gonna be uploading tutorials. So today what we are going to do is the basic. Whenever you are making your belt, choker, your neck piece and everything. So today we're gonna be doing the up down pattern. So let's get started. So I'm going to so as we are starting, we need wax. This is wax. If you don't have it, well, you can work without that wax. It's used to blend together or to stick together our thread. And then this is what we're gonna be doing, this up down pattern. You can use several colors as much as you like. So today we're going to be using black and white beads. Those are the only beads that I have. So the concept will be the same. You can add as many colors as you want. So we are going to be using these seed beads, and then our upholstery thread, as well as our scissors, and you need a needle as well. Okay, so now we're going to start beating. uh, don't mind the noise that is there. I'm at work. So you're going to make a knot on your thread, and then you pick one bead like this. So this is going to be your stopper bead, and then after picking, you just pull your thread through to the end, and then after pulling to the end, uh, we're going to lock. Yeah, I don't know which is the proper term. So you come in between the two threads before the knot that you made, and then you insert your needle, and then you pull through. Yes. So by so doing, you have created your stopper. So we are going to pick up 12 beads, 12 white beads, two, three, four, five, still counting, 5, 6, and then we want 12. We want 12 beads. So you pick up 12 white beads. We had 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then after you've picked 12 beads, just pull your beads, pull them up until you reach where your stopper bead is. So now we are starting our pattern. So we pick up 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you pull them. After pulling from, you just hold. These 4 are still there hanging, and then until from the 12 beads, where the 12 beads ended, you count 1, 2, 3, and then you insert your needle on the 4th bead. You insert your needle on the 4th bead like this, and then you pull. It's just that I don't have a stand at the moment, so I'm trying. And then you pull until those beads, 4 beads that you picked, they create a circle like this. And then you only pick up 4 beads when you are starting a line. So now, as we are proceeding, we are going to pick up 3 white beads. That's 1, 2, 3, like this. And then let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th bead, we are going to insert, and let's pull. Let's pull. So if you listen attentively, I'm sure you are going to come up with this. And then let's pick another 3 beads. We only pick 4 beads as we are starting a new line. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th bead, we insert, and then we pull. I don't know what's wrong with my other bead. Maybe the hole it's too small, so I'm going to replace it with another bead. And then we're still maintaining it. We insert our needle on the 4th bead, and then we pull our thread, and then we're going to have something like this. I hope you see something like this after our first line. So now that we are turning, we are at this point here. So this is when we are going to introduce our new color, and that is black. So as we are turning, remember all the time, when we are turning, we pick up 4 beads. So 3, 4, and then it's now different from when you are starting. You see there are 3 beads, so 1, and then you insert on your center bead. There are 3 beads. I hope you can see that properly. 1, and then 2, 3. So, and then you are going to insert your needle on the center bead, and then you pull. We are introducing our next color, that is black. And then we proceed. We pick up 3 white beads, 2, 3, and then after picking them, you pull them. I don't know, maybe I used a bigger needle. I'm not seeing my small needle that I usually use. After picking 3 beads, you come to your central bead, you insert, and then you pull. And then once again we go back to our white beads. We pick 3 white beads, and then we you insert your needle on your central bead, and then you pull. That's our second row. You'll be having something like this. I know at the moment it doesn't make sense, but as we continue you will see the shape. And then we turn. Now that we are turning, we have to pick 4 beads. So we are going back to our white beads. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 white beads. You pull them, you come to your central bead. By now I'm sure you see it. It's really difficult to work when you don't have a stand. So I've picked my 4 beads, inserted them on the central bead like this. We're continuing. Let's pick 3, and we're now at the middle. We pick 3 white beads, 3 white beads, and then you pull. Today we're going to have a problem. I'm not seeing my smaller needle. 1, 2, 3, and then we pull. I'm going to have a problem, so this will be my second, and then my 3rd bead, hopefully it will. And then we come to our central bead, we insert our needle, and then we pull. So the fact that we have introduced our black, the pattern has to continue. Now we are going to pick 3 black beads. We have to make the pattern continue. 3 black beads, and then we count 1, 2, 3. So we are going to insert on the central bead, and then we pull. And then after pulling, we'll be here. We'll be doing our 3rd row. So now that we are turning, we are going to pick 4 black beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 black beads like this, and then we come to our central bead, and then we insert on the central bead, and then we pull. After pulling, the pattern has to continue. Again, we are going to pick 3 black beads like this, and then we insert on the central white bead, and then we pull. So we are going to have a white half triangle, so the pattern is to continue. We have to finish off this half triangle. So now we are going to pick 3 white beads. So 3 white beads, we pull them, and then we come and insert on the central bead, and then we pull. Now that we have turned, we are going to pick 4 white beads. 4 white beads. The pattern has to continue. The pattern has to continue. Hopefully you are going to understand. It's just that I don't have a stand and the light yet, but I have to follow up on your requests. I'm going to work with what we have, and then after picking we go to our central bead, we insert our needle there, and then we pull our 4 beads. Remember, we only pick 4 beads when we are turning, and then the pattern has to continue. The pattern has to continue. Now we have to pick 3 black beads. We only, it's like the golden rule. The golden rule, you only pick 4 beads when you are turning, when you are starting a new line. So now that we're in the middle, we picked up 3 beads, and then we inserted that on the central bead, as you see. So this is our central bead. We have 1, 2, 3. So I inserted my needle on this central bead, and then we are going to continue. We are making a full triangle. This is going to be a full black triangle. Now we are going to pick up 3 black beads. 3 black beads. The pattern has to continue. 3 black beads has to continue, and then on the central bead you insert your needle, and then you pull. Yeah, we are about to finish our part 1, and then now that we are turning, we have to pick 4 beads. 4 beads. There are 3, and then the 4th bead we insert on the middle bead. Oh, there we go again. We are having the same problem. I'm using a bigger needle, so I had to remove all those beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know where did I put my smaller needle. It makes my life easier. So we are going to insert on the central bead, and then we pull. It will come out, and then we pick 3 beads. Now that we are on the middle line, we pick 3 beads. We only pick 4 as we are turning, and then we insert on the central bead, and then we pull. Like this. So our triangle has to continue going upwards. So we are going to pick 3 black beads. 3 black beads. 1, 2, 3, like this. After picking, we are going to insert on this central white bead. On this central white bead. So this is our semi triangle. This will be our full triangle. Now that we are turning, we have to finish off this triangle. So we need 4 beads. So we gonna pick 1 white bead like this, and then aunties and we are turning. So we pick one white bead, and then 3 black beads. We have to close our white semi triangle, and then we come and insert on this black central bead. So you see our semi triangle it's now complete. So now we're not going to change. The pattern has to continue. We are picking 3 black beads. We insert on the central bead. We are about to stop here to end our part 1, and then we are continuing. We pick another 3 black beads. We insert on the central bead. Ish, we are going to have problems. My needle is too big for my beads. So we pick 3 black beads. We insert on the central bead like this, and then we pull. So today we are going to stop here. As we come on our part 2. We'll be turning, and then as we turn, we'll be making our triangle to look fuller like this, and then we continue as we turn. That's where our part 2 will end. I'm sure everybody will be able to make our basic. We'll be able to bead our basic belt, and then we'll be introducing other new patterns with time after you are able to make this basic pattern. This is the easiest pattern of them all. Thank you.